So in today's video, we're going to build a goat stanchion. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Cedar Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit, shit's amazing. We'll just get right into the build. So before I started filming, I had 2 pallets, and then I took a 2x4 and I tacked it to the side of each pallet. And I set the 3rd pallet on top and I tacked it all the way around. I just wanted to walk you through the rest of what the video didn't show. So I put this other piece of blocking in here on this side, this 2x6, and then I took this slab off of the log and I laid it across, and I cut the ends off clean, and I cut it clean there. Then I just stacked it all together, screwed it all together there, and then I drilled a hole, 1/2-inch hole, and I stuck that bolt through, and then I bolted it on. And I added the little handle, and that's it, guys. That's all she wrote. So listen, guys, I built this goat stanchion with scrap wood and a need. No plans, no money, just resourcefulness, a problem, and a reason to solve it. Don't let your situation, your budget, or anybody's opinion hold you back. Start with what you've got. All you need is a spark and the courage to try. And that's the point of Smart Spark. It's not about me showing how smart I am, because I'm not. It's about igniting that spark in someone else. That moment when you realize, I can do this. So if you're watching this, don't just watch. Build something. Try something. Let that smart spark in you catch fire.